Sometimes you wanna go where nobody knows your name. Oh, hello, everybody. Good morning from a drippy, droopy, wet Texas in the woods day. Yeah, it's kind of wet out there. Can't be doing much riding. I may do some anyway, though. Anyway, so yesterday, yeah, I hit the target, man. I hit the target. Yeah, I called it. Anyway, I said yesterday, if you felt comfortable buying in at 31,000, go ahead and do it. You'll be fine. I told you I was going to probably wait till 28.5, 29, and we did briefly touch down into the 28 something number, but, that was a brief moment. I didn't catch it. I bought in at 29,300 yesterday, and then turned around 4 or 5 hours later and sold it for 33,300. So $3,000 gain. Well, $3,000 up from what I bought it at, and also I bought in at 30,800. So, and where are we sitting today? We are sitting at approximately 33,600. So, we're getting back up there. We're past that 3250 and all that. And I don't know why my page wants to reload. What's going on with Trading View, man? Y'all got some fricked up problems over there. Anyway, yeah, just going back down to the dip yesterday. Back when I bought in, we see we did get down to 29. We did have a wick come down to 28 something anyway. So I bought in right about here. Then when we got up to around here, I sold it out. So 13.28%. So 5 hours making 13% on your money. I would say that's very excellent if you ask me. Anyway, I don't know where the heck that British accent came from. Okay, let's get rid of this. We don't need that no more. And let's take a look back at right around Thanksgiving. As you can see, we have a continual uptrend, pretty much staying above the yellow 21 EMA, except for when we got to here, we had problems. Then we went up there, then we had problems, and this is where people started to get shaken out. A lot of people got a lot of fear going. What's happening? What's happening is the big money, the institutional investors. They will put in a bunch of longs or put in a bunch of shorts or something like that, and or either pull a bunch of money out or whatever it takes to make the price fluctuate rapidly. And what they do is they scare people into selling their bitcoins because they know that it's getting low. All the bitcoins that are being mined are being bought up instantly. They're gone. The big people are buying them, so the little people are not buying them. So when you buy or sell a Bitcoin, you're buying it from, you don't know who you're buying. You may be selling your Bitcoin to one of these guys that has 600 million Bitcoins, now he's got another one. So that's what they want. It's going to end up just like the banking system. So that's why you've got to hold it, I did sell out just that tiny bit this morning just because I need some money back into the bank. But, anyway, going back to around Thanksgiving, right before Thanksgiving to today, we've had 112% increase. So you're looking at November, December, January, two and a half months. We've done 112%. So it's still good. Long-term trend is still positive. It's going to go higher. 32,000. Where we're at 33,626 is a perfectly reasonable buy. I mean, if you got money and you can afford it, buy some. You know, whatever. If it isn't $50,000, then buy some. I mean, but if it's 42 or 45,000, don't buy it right away. You know, but if we're still down in the 30s or 20 something, you need to be buying a little bit. And been doing the right thing by putting a little bit each and every day or each and every week, and not really paying attention to the price unless it's really gone extremely ridiculous, which it hasn't. So anyway, I've been busy trying to pack. I like to pack early for a trip because I like to have everything in order. I have my checklist. I've got everything checked off that's packed and ready to go, so that way when I'm ready to head to the airport and fly away to the Rocky Mountains, I'm ready, man. Nothing is missing, so it's going to be great. I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait to get up there and get out of this dang city-fied area, even though I am in the woods. Oh, so let's take a look at the RSI on the 1 hour. RSI is shooting way up. That's a straight up trend line. So that's a good pump. 2 hour, still looking real good on that. 4 hours, still good. 6 hour. Looks like we're going to come down. We could have a drop. 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. We might get a little drop. And we should bounce off the line and start heading back up after 12 hours. And then we'll just have to wait and see exactly what it's going to do tomorrow after that, because it's hard to say. It's kind of doing a lot of fluctuating for a RSI, and for those of you that are new and don't know, that's the relative strength average. That's what that means. RSI is the relative strength average of the commodity. If that helps you any. Stokes, I don't even have a clue what that even supposed to mean, but down, up and down, up and down. Please quit doing that. Go away. On the 1 hour, we have gone way above up into the 95 region, so it's way up there, hanging around 95 into the 2 hour, the 3 hour, coming back down around to 70, 4 hour down to 65, 6 hour down to the 40s, 12 hour, we're going to hit bottom, past the bottom line. See, so it's following the same path as the RSI. It looks like to me anywhere between 6 and 12 hours, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, means anywhere between 9 o'clock and 9 p.m. and 3 a.m. You'll probably be asleep, but if you're not, be aware that there could be a drop, and it could be a good opportunity to buy. So if you don't want to miss out on the buys, then there you go. This oscillator chart, as we can see the downs that came from yesterday. This is where you make your buys at. This is what I should have been looking at. Whatever it got right here, I should have bought in, because then it went straight up. So and then that was yesterday when it went down and went straight back up. And let's see what we got. BitMEX funding rate, interesting. Funding rate on a 1 hour, 33.4. This would have been a good buy down 31, 32 maybe, but that ship has flown because it's already back above the trend line right here. So, oh, okay. See, well, just like the RSI and the Stokes, they both are indicating the same thing. We're showing the funding rate going down at the 6-hour mark. I bet you at the 12-hour mark it's going even further. Yeah, it's still going down. Okay, so we're going to be dropping. I'd be surprised if there's not some kind of drop after like 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. So we're probably going to hover around the 33,500 mark, 34,000 mark until 9 p.m. to 3 a.m. That's going to be the time to watch. So if you're a night owl and you stay up and you're buying and selling, you need to be watching. Right now on the hash ribbon, that is gold circle, should be recovery. Come on, mouse, man. I hate this mouse. It's a gaming mouse. It's supposed to be really badass, but okay, capitulation. So we're capitulating right now. I wonder if I could change that. I wonder if this one would stay as a diamond, since the stupid buy one won't. So capitulating. So basically, that's sideways movement, which, you know, it's been happening for a while. On the 12-hour, we do see a downtrend, just like we do on all the other three indicators. Same on the 4-hour. Yeah, so it's going the same direction, heading up here in a few hours. Bitmix funding, hash ribbon, we already really looked at. Let's take a look at this chart over here. Let's see. Bitmix funding rate, we already looked at funding rate on another one. 12-hour looks up. We should have some down on this funding rate. Yeah, there it was. So there was from the down from yesterday right there. So this would have been the buy point. So that bird has flown. I think we're riding the EMA fairly well, except for these few dips below. And now we're reaching back up and trying to get to it again. So, you know, we're trying to push up on it. Anyway, your cup comes back up, and then it curves back down. There's your handle. So that's what could happen tonight. We've made a cup. We're going to come up. It's going to curl back down. We'll make a handle, and then normally after that, you have a boost up. So watch for those things. I mean, I know it's not easy. Anyway, I've been trying to liquidate some of this silver since the price of silver has gone up a lot more than gold has, that's for sure. Let's see where we're at today. Because back in the early 2000s, I bought tons of silver, walking Liberty $half, because I love them. They're beautiful, and I'd buy and sell them. So yeah, silver's at $25.50. I mean, that's a good price. I mean, when I was buying them, buying half ounces, well, they're not half ounces, they're 0.36 ounce of silver is a $half. They were going for $6-7. So now, if you take 25.50, which is spot price for silver, times 36%, gives you $9.18. So $9.18. Just even if it's a wore out one, even if it's ugly, they're worth $9 just in the silver content. It's like I have listed over here on eBay. Here's 5 walking liberties right here. 5 times 9 is $45. Okay, I start and bid at $51.99. Well, they're getting free shipping, so they're gonna get their coins for $9. So, and that's what the price is right now, and that's a good price. Gold's $18.55, which is getting up there a little bit. Anyway, let's see what else. And I got all my groups there, Bitcoin group, everything that's on Facebook's over there. So anyway, get that going. I think somebody is having a party, and I guess since I'm such a nice guy, I'll go ahead and announce that, just in case anybody wants to come. If you're from the Woodlands, you probably maybe know her. Oh jeez, man, I swear. Facebook, you're slower than slow can be. Here you go. Let's see what she's got here. Oh, she had a flat. Oh my gosh. Where is that thing about the... Let's see. Let me go to Kimmy Prop Productions. Oh yeah, that one's bad. I told her that link was bad, man. She needs to fix it, but she don't listen. That's Instagram. That's another link that's bad on her page. See, these are things you got to stay on top of. I don't know what. I have no clue what she's doing. That I don't either. So I don't. Jesus. Love Windows 10. It's so great, isn't it? Kim, where's your ad? Well, I know one way to find it. Here we go. Okay. I just upgraded from 12.5 megabits per second to 25, and it takes longer to load now. Oh, this is for Memorial Day weekend. Bull riding singer, this guy here. I don't know who he is. Anyway, that's a Memorial Day. That's a long ways down the road. There was one on here. It was about one coming up in a few days. And let's see where it is. Okay, there. That's probably the same one we just looked at. Oh, maybe this is it. Yeah, here we see. Okay, this Saturday, swing by Mr. Matthews. Mr. Matthews. Page about true entrepreneur in the southern hip-hop rap industry. So she promotes mostly rappers, and I went and met some on New Year's Eve. They were really nice people, Christian basically. no, weren't singing bad words. Anyway, it's $25 admission. Uh, she has a little red carpet thing where you can take a picture. So we'll see what happens. 59 in cross timbers. You can't miss it. So yeah, that's easy. Easy to find there. Starts at 2 p.m. So it's going to be during the day. So it'll be Saturday. So it's a block party at 69. Okay, so it's a block party. So anyway, if you want to go, there you go. And anyway, that's all I just wanted to give her a little plug because, anyway. And Cloud Hub, it's working pretty well. Still don't have some people that do not seem to understand how to accept a pending request. Because, see, I know this gentleman here, he knows that I sent him a request. He sent me a message. I have a message from him, but it's still pending because he hadn't found the pending button. But 50% of the people have. A lot of these people, I just sent out invitations because I just wanted to see if it would work, and we finally got it to work. So anyway, anytime you see a little red dot over here, it means you got a message, which I don't get because I haven't had any messages lately, and it keeps showing me that I had a message, and I don't have a message, so leave me alone, you little red dot, you. So anyway, that's about it, folks. Looks like we're gonna consolidate around 33.5 in that general area, and then like I said, between 9 p.m. 3 a.m. this morning, we could see some slippage. So it would be a great opportunity to buy, especially if it dips below 30K. So, I just keep doing like I did yesterday, and buy it, wait for it to go up $3,000, and then at that point you just sell it. Another platform that I like a lot. I don't have a lot of money in this exchange, but it is called Phemex, Phemex. I put some money into it. What's cool about that, I log in, you see, and it wants an authentication number. And there's an app on your phone, you pull it up. The number changes really quick every few seconds. So, well, see, it already changed on me. And bam, there you go. So you're in. What I liked about it was that there's stocks on here, not stocks, but cryptos on here, which are getting popular. It's supposed to be on dark theme. Anyway, whatever. It's only on the trading pages. So if I go over to trading pages, it should be black, but it's not. I hate that. I love the black look to it. But anyway, whatever. But for instance, like say Polkadot is one that people have been watching, and it's dot, so it's like number 5 today. Okay, let's go to the buy and sell, see if it gives us. There's the black screen. Perfect. Now this is your options trading. This is where you buy contracts, and this is where I want to explain to you. I cannot go in here and buy it and just say, okay, I bought it, I own it. Okay, you can only long and short it, or buy it at market. So what I do is I would go in and I have so much money in $74 in here in this trading account. Okay, all right. So let's see. So let's say I want to do 25% of it. Okay, that's 19. 19. So I'm buying 19 shares. Go away, you little freaking banner. 19. I can bump that up. Yesterday I did 26, or make it 25. Price is at 17 cents. Yeah, 17 and a half cents. Then what you do is you're going to buy market. I don't see that on here on my phone. It says market. This is the 10x, 5x thing I was talking about. If I went over here and I set this to close at 4x and I lost, yeah, I would owe them 4 times the amount of money that I bet. Or I'm going to call it bet. Basically what it is a bet. This is how people are making money, especially on Bitcoin. So they're shorting it. So I go over here and say I want to buy 25. I hit buy. It's going to buy it at $17.4.495. Then what's going to happen is it's going to go up, and I'm going to make some money, and I'm going to say that's good enough, and I hit close. I close out the order, and I make that profit. On the other end of it, if it goes down, it'll give a price. Once I buy it at that price, it'll give it a range of about $3 or $4. If it drops $3 or $4, then you're liquidated. You lose that money that you put in there. But it's a lot of fun to play with, especially when you're playing with 17 cents. I mean, 17 cents times 25 is what, like $5. So I'm learning this so I can learn it with small amount of money so I can learn to do it with Bitcoin. Because this is where people are getting rich on Bitcoin, is longing and shorting. But it's very, extremely dangerous and volatile. So be Fenix platform is for not professionals, but for people that know Bitcoin and trading well. If you don't know it, stay away from it. Alright guys, well that's it for today. I'm going to hope it ain't going to rain and go ride my bike, and then I'm back in at about 28 again today. So anyway, y'all have a blessed day out there, and keep on keeping on, man. Eyes up always.